Today, let's have a look at this smart vending machine with a 55-inch touch screen. The machine is installed with a PAX card reader and age verification module. Open the door, look at the goods tray. Totally, there are 6 floor goods trays. Each floor, there are 9 slots, and the spiral coils can be customized according to your product size. If you need to refill the products, you just need to lift up the goods tray a little bit and then put it out. Then put the products into the slots. Now let's have a look at the configuration of the goods trays. From here and here, you can see that there are some holes, which is for adjusting the height of each goods tray. And there are some holes on each floor, which is for adjusting the width of each slot. At the slave cabinet, there are 4 shelves for storage. The users can swipe the buying page to select the products. The operators can change the product from the mobile phone. Now let me show you how. From mobile system, we can find this machine from machine management, and we can select machine products, select batch, select the products, confirm, submit. Then you see the product has been changed. Now let me show you how to buy. Firstly, verify the age. Then I can select the products here. I can select one product at a time, or I can add different products to shopping cart. Click pay by from shopping cart here. Click to pay. Then I tap the card. Now the products are being delivered. Then get your products from here. If you need more information about our machine, contact us. Thank you.